QLEAP KMR 4.1.0. Maintenance management, simplified and intelligent. Full control, fast actions, connected teams. Maintenance means prevention, efficiency, and resource optimization. Efficient maintenance management reduces costs and improves equipment performance. KMR is an advanced platform dedicated to maintenance management. Developed by Quartz Matrix, KMR integrates automation, organization, and IoT technologies for fast, accurate, and transparent maintenance. The new KMR 4.1.0 dashboard shows everything that matters: scheduled and completed maintenance, active tickets, and equipment status, all in one place. You can add interventions, equipment, or documents with just a few clicks. You work faster and make better decisions, even from the field. You have full traceability for equipment, spare parts, and intervention history, plus a multi-language interface ideal for international teams. Teams stay connected through real-time comments, WhatsApp notifications, and Google authentication. KMR gives you advanced work order management, full control of inventory and consumables, access from laptop or tablet wherever you are, detailed reports and comparative analysis, automated alerts for critical actions, and configuration tailored to your company's needs. The result? Reduced repair and replacement costs, prevention of unplanned downtime, extended equipment lifespan, and compliance with regulations. KMR implementation delivers visible savings and fast ROI. KMR is already successfully used in manufacturing, commercial infrastructure, transport and logistics, energy, utilities, and healthcare. Request a free demo at www.quartzmatrix.ro/QLEAP-KMR and discover how it can transform the way you work. QLEAP KMR 4.1.0. Control, clarity, and efficiency in maintenance.